Hi guys, welcome to my website www.AimyFIT.com. I'm a medical doctor by profession. I'm also a qualified personal trainer. I believe in prevention, and I believe if you maintain a healthy lifestyle with regular exercise, you can prevent a lot of illnesses. Immunity enhancement is the need of the hour. Especially during these unprecedented times, number one priority in Corona days is health. I believe I can guide you well to enhance your immunity and improve your overall health and well-being. Our lives were like hamster on the wheel. We were living the same routine like a robot. In our world today, we tend to celebrate these heroes where you like to push yourself past your limits and ignoring your body signals. I think balancing is a better way of doing things. Finding life balance is tough, but your health and your sanity might depend on it. I want to focus on the preventive side of health. Preventing people from getting sick from diseases such as obesity, hypertension, and diabetes. These diseases are mostly preventable, and people don't necessarily need medicine to treat these diseases. In my journey of losing weight, as a byproduct, I learned mindfulness, self-care, body awareness, mindful eating. I lost weight and became much healthier. I decided to help others to do the same. I decided to become a personal trainer and use my medical knowledge to support my interest in health and well-being. I emphasize on losing weight in a healthy way. Losing weight in healthiest possible way could be the hardest, and having done the same myself, I know how it feels like in the journey to lose weight. So you see, I offer these different services: weight loss training, grocery guidance, healthy cooking classes, healthy smoothies, and meditation. If you want to know more about the services that I offer, then click on the given options one by one. If you want to lose weight in a healthy way, do contact me. I can offer tips and tricks. Click book one-on-one session now for that first session, which is free of charge. It starts from what you buy from your local grocery store. I can give you an insight into healthy grocery shopping. Are you curious about mindful eating? I can give you a taste. Are you ready to give mindful eating a shot? Nutrition advice offered by me can help you try it. Learn how to create lasting, healthy habits around food. I offer many low-caloric, sugar-free, self-created, but delicious and delectable smoothies recipes. And last but not the least, meditation. Meditation is the highlight of my life. I credit it for giving me all the positive energy in life. I can teach you the basic methodology if you book one-on-one session. So get in touch and get in shape. Contact me in a very simple way. Just fill in the brief details and send them to me right now. And I will get back in touch with you as soon as possible. Do visit my website if you like this video. Thanks for watching. watching, guys.